name is Rima. Class 5th. I study Manumali School.
Hi, my name is Shumaila. I am in class 5th. I study at Manumali School. I wake up at 7 a.m., brush my teeth and have breakfast.
I get up at 6:30 a.m. Take shower and get dressed.
After breakfast, I pack my school bag and head to the bus stop.
I like to read a book for few minutes before getting dressed. Then I have quick breakfast and wait for the bus.
I enjoy talking to my friends on the bus.
Me too. I have so much fun on the bus.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.